Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. As I told you earlier, I'm going to post video editing related content. I am picking up on a new skill. So far, I haven't. What should I say? What should I say? So far, I haven't made nothing, but be sure to be sure to what. Mm, Make sure to follow. Why? Because maybe not now, maybe another video, or maybe after 2 3 videos you will see more of edited videos. And also I need to improve on my thumbnails because they suck literally. Who makes thumbnails like that? No, I know it's in my learning phase, but but yes, I will make better thumbnails. Thank you if you are watching till. No, I don't know what you are saying. I know if you are being serious. You are seeing a guy who is nothing today, but someday you can see I will be someone that day. Even if you wanted to reach me, you can't reach. And believe, believe.